Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're checking out the Honda CB500X, a versatile adventure bike that's perfect for riders who want to explore both city streets and rugged trails. With its smooth power delivery, comfortable ergonomics, and great handling, the CB500X is ready for any adventure. Let's get into it. Under the seat of the CB500X is a 471cc parallel twin engine that provides a strong balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're commuting through town or navigating twisty backroads, this engine delivers smooth and accessible power, making it a perfect companion for all types of riding. The CB500X features a longer travel suspension, giving it the capability to handle rougher terrain with ease. Its tall ride height and long wheelbase provide great stability, while the comfortable seat and upright riding position make it ideal for longer journeys or off-road explorations. Modern technology is at your fingertips with the CB500X. The bike comes with a digital instrument display, LED lighting, and an anti-lock braking system, ABS, ensuring you have the tools you need for both safety and convenience on every ride. The design of the CB500X is rugged yet stylish, with a tall windscreen, a robust front end, and an adventure-ready stance that makes it look as capable as it is. The bike is perfect for riders who want a machine that looks ready to tackle both urban streets and off-road trails. The Honda CB500X is an excellent choice for riders who want a well-rounded, adventure-ready bike that delivers great performance and comfort. Thanks for tuning into Moto Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of the CB500X, and which bike should we feature next? Ride safe, and see you in the next one.